Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your domain on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen. Once you're here, go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find settings, go ahead and click on it. And then you will be in a store details section. So just go to this left side and then search for domains. Once you find domains, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find buy or connect a domain. Secure the perfect domain for your store that customers can trust and find easily. Buy a new domain from Shopify or connect the domain you already purchased from a third party like Google Domains or GoDaddy. Go ahead and click on Buy New Domain if you want to buy a new domain. So you can search for any domain that you want, and then you're going to find the available domains. For example, I'm going to type tutorial. And as you can see, guys, it's not available, but you can keep searching and you will find a domain that you can use. As you can see, guys, tutorial.com isn't available, but right here, you can find some other results that includes tutorial, like tutorial.ac, tutorial accountant, and so on. You can also click on show more results if you want to see some more choices. And you can also go ahead and click on connect existing domain if you already have a domain. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.